Once you've added a video, you'll end up here in the Mindstamp editor. Let's take a look. Over on the left side, you'll see a number of different menu items corresponding to each part of the editor. The default tab that you're looking at right now is the Interactions tab. This is where you'll see the video, the interaction bar where you can add interactions, as well as a list of interactions that will start showing up as you add them. Next up, we have Design. The Design tab is where you'll control everything related to the look and feel of your videos on Mindstamp, including color, font, branding, player controls, and more. Next up, we have Lead Capture. Mindstamp offers the ability to capture lead information from your viewers, such as name, email, or phone. You can configure how you want that captured and when on this screen. Next up is the Magic Menu. Magic Menu is an in-video menu that you can create on Mindstamp to give your viewers an ever-accessible set of links, images, or resources. You configure your Magic Menu on this tab. Next is End Screen. The end screen shows up when the video ends. So you can show a button to click off to the website, you could automatically switch to a new video, or design your own custom interactions to show at the very end. Next up is Settings. Settings is where you're going to control some of the settings on your video, such as title, share message, privacy and participation settings, organization access, and a few more. The Transcript tab holds the transcript of the video. Mindstamp automatically transcribes the video content into a searchable, clickable list like this. Viewers can come in, search, and then click to skip to that section. The Chapters tab lets you add chapters to the video so your viewers can see what content is showing and navigate quickly. It's very easy to add a chapter. All you do is say New Chapter. Mindstamp supports closed captions on your videos. When we transcribe your video, we automatically create an English closed caption, but you can also upload more captions in VTT format from any of the languages below. Once you've added, you can choose to set default captions to off or any of the languages that you've added. The analytics screen is going to show you a high-level overview of your video content and how it's performing. You're going to see things like views, interactions, viewers, streaming, retention, and more. If you want to drill into the nitty-gritty and see individual view reports, you can head up here to Open Full Reporting. Next up is Paywall. Mindstamp offers a paywall feature that allows you to connect your Stripe account and charge money for viewers to access your content. In the paywall section, you can choose when you should capture the payment, as well as price and currency. In the integration section, you'll find connections to all of your favorite applications like Zapier, Google Analytics, HubSpot, Shopify, and more. You can connect these applications together to use your Mindstamp data in real time to send data back and forth, automate marketing, and more. The preview section lets you see exactly how your video will appear to external viewers. When you're editing the video, certain things will be a little bit different, so it's good to use the preview section to see exactly what they will see. You can preview your video both in desktop and mobile. When you're ready to share, you can press the Share tab. You can also share from up here. On the share screen, you'll see two big buttons. You can copy a link to send out your video, or you can copy an embed code to embed it in your store, website, or blog. You'll see a little preview of how your video will look on social networks. You can create a personalized link to send out or download a SCORM package. We support both SCORM 1.2 and 2004. And finally, we have a couple easy quick share options here, including QR code. The Genie AI tab deals with Genie AI, our artificial intelligence assistant that lives within your video and can answer questions about it based on the content. In this section, you'd see all the different questions coming in from your viewers as well as the AI's response. For questions that don't have an answer that isn't contained in the transcript, you can add additional information in here to juice their responses. Finally, we have the More tab. More tab has some utility functions like duplicating a video to create a second copy of it. You can replace the underlying source video file if you need to make an edit. You can visualize your branching experience. You can set default variables, create a backup, unpublish a video, import interactions from other videos, or clear out all activity.